love to shine. Sticky splat tricks, I'm the Ninja King. You know I'm better at everything. The Ninja Lee knows by my side. Nobody can stop this guy. Always causing trouble in the
Unless it's the PJ Masks.
I'm Night Ninja. Breaking all the rules, I'm the coolest of the cool. I'm Night Ninja. Try to fight me, you know what I'll do. I'll stop you in your tracks and sticky splat you. Always causing trouble in the middle of the night. I'm Night Ninja. Breaking all the rules, I'm the coolest of the cool. I'm Night Ninja. I'm Night Ninja. I'm Night Ninja. I'm Night Ninja.
Mission completed, come on everyone. Villains defeated and they're on the run. We put an end to all their plans and schemes. No one can beat this unstoppable team. We saved the day and the PJ Masks won. It's time to celebrate and have some fun. Everybody, let's all shout hooray. We went into the night and we saved the day. It's a celebration. Come on. Everybody jump up and shout hooray.
Got this.
We
Up and
always
running.
win. We got each other through thick and thin. When the day's over and the team's all here, let the celebration start and give a cheer. We saved the day and the PJ Masks won. It's time to celebrate and have some fun. Everybody, let's all shout hooray. We went into the night and we saved the day. It's a celebration. Come on. Everybody jump up and shout hooray. Everybody jump, jump and shout hooray.
Is everybody ready to move like the PJ Masks? Okay,
Oh, great, you're here, guys.
your move.
Tonight we're gonna draw mechtogan braxion.
You wanna run like Catboy? Power up and
Spyron's mechtogan partner.
on the spot. Super cat speed, give it all you got. Run
He has a representation of a, well, what they call a grasshopper.
on the spot.
Or at least that's what he looks like.
You in the groove. Be just like the PJ Masks to make your move. You wanna fly like Owlette, zooming through the sky. You wanna fly like Owlette.
Flap your wings and fly!
Flap, flap, flap your wings, hands up in the air. Flap, flap, flap your wings, you can do it anywhere. Flap your wings up high, higher than the roof. Be just like the PJ Masks to make your move. All right, who's next? Gecko! Go, Gecko! Go, Gecko! Go, 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 Gecko! Here we go! You wanna be strong like Gecko? Power is the key. If you wanna be strong like Gecko, then flex along with me. Flex, flex with all your might. Super Gecko muscles, left and right. Flex, flex with all your might. It'll make you feel like dynamite. Show your Gecko muscles, there's no way you can lose. Be just like the PJ Masks to make your move. Move just like a hero and get in the groove. Be just like the PJ Masks to make your move. Make your move.
Here are the giant claws that are part of Braxion's design.
Time to be a hero!
Alexa, what is a grasshopper?
Grasshoppers are a group of insects belonging to the suborder Coelifera. They are among what is possibly the most ancient living group of chewing herbivorous insects, dating back to the early Triassic around 250 million years ago. Grasshoppers are typically ground-dwelling insects with powerful hind legs which allow them to escape from threats by leaping vigorously.
I feel like we have some around the house.
Super owl wings!
Alexa, play it again.
I'll repeat the song.
With PJ Masks, she always comes through with spotty She can do anything. Super owl wings. Hey, hey, owlet, amazing owlet. With PJ Masks, she always comes through with spotting clues, awesome moves. In the night, she saves the day. Yeah! Hey, hey, owlet. It's time to be a hero. With super moves and cool girl power, she rescues friends at the darkest hour. She can fly and she can see anything. Owl eyes. Action first, ask questions later. Like flossy flash, she faces danger in the night. She blows those villains out of sight. Owl wing wings. Hey, hey, owlet, amazing owlet. On the move, she's a high-flying hero with just a flap of her
Huh.
wings.
Didn't see that bolt before.
Super owl wings. Hey, hey, owlet, amazing owlet. With PJ Masks, she always
I like the next song. I like the lower volume.
Goes into the night so they can save the day. Who are these heroes to show you the way? PJ Masks, the PJ Masks, PJ Masks, the PJ Masks, PJ Masks.
There he is. That's how you draw Braxion. From Bakugan Mectanium Surge. One of my favorites. Booyakasha!